Welcome to the Polyvegan kitchen. Today we are making a tropical breakfast smoothie. For this recipe, you will need 2 ripe bananas, 2 ripe guavas, 1 container of vanilla yogurt by Silk, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, and 1/4 of a medium-sized honeydew, and 2 cups of plant-based milk. On any day that I'm in a rush, I will resort to my Vitamix. But on days that I have ample time to prepare a smoothie for my family, I use a slow processing blender by Kuvings, which is a vacuum blender. The traditional blender will easily whip up a smoothie in less than a minute. The disadvantage of high-speed blenders is the extreme exposure to air. The air that gets trapped in smoothies from traditional blending speeds create an oxidation of nutrients. And due to the high speed of the blades, there is an element of heat exposure which damages the nutritional value of this smoothie, killing some of the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that could have been preserved going through a much slower process using no heat at all. Using a vacuum blender removes all the air from the container before blending, causing a smoother consistency with little to no bubbles. When blending or juicing, I personally prefer to maximize the nutritional value of my drinks by using a slow masticating and blending appliance. That way, I still get to enjoy juices and smoothies with all the nutrients it has to offer. I released the lever a little too soon. The smoothie needed another 30 seconds or so. But notice how after 1.5 minutes of blending in a vacuum blender has a minimal amount of bubbles versus 30 seconds in a traditional blender. While I finish off this smoothie, I wanted to share a Bible verse found in James chapter 1, verses 2 to 3. My brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience. This verse is self-explanatory, but let us keep that in mind. In the rough times of life, don't give up or be discouraged. Something beautiful buds out of our long suffering, and that is the virtue of patience.
Mom, thank you. It tastes delicious.
Thank you for joining us today in the Polyvegan kitchen. We upload a new video once a week, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Polyvegan Kitchen. And remember, no matter where you are in your journey, there's always room for you at our table.